help Piglet? Can you help Piglet? Uh-oh, Piglet's stuck. Oh, so close. So close. Eee. Come on, one more pull. Pull it. Yay, you did it. Yeah, you helped Piglet out. Oh. Piglet's gonna be sad. Did you just throw him on the bed? Say hi, Piglet. Uh-oh. What are you doing? Uh-oh. You gonna throw Piglet overboard? Piglet gonna be sad. Uh-oh. You lost him. Piglet? Oh, no. No. Oh, no. Why are you dangling Piglet like that, Maddy? Why are you dangling Piglet like that? Piglet's gonna be scared. Can you pull him back in? Pull him back in, Maddy. Maddy. Maddy, Maddy. Hello. Hello. Pull Piglet back. Want to get to mommy? Okay. Oh, come on. Uh-oh. Where's Piglet? Where's Piglet? Oh, there's Piglet. Uh-oh. You think that's funny, huh? You think it's funny? Where's Piglet? Maddy? Oh, is that Piglet? You want Piglet back?